So I'm gonna use lots of amount of dewy. It has bifida ferment like mother of night cream to my bed, looking like this. Hi kitties, happy new year. आप सभी को नए साल की शुभकामनाएं. So I wanted to start new year with new skincare routine, my all vitamin skincare routine. I'm gonna put the chart right here and I'm gonna start with my day skincare routine. So first thing I do is clean my face, and I am still using the simple refreshing face wash, and I have cleaned my face using it, and look how clean my face looks. Next step will be using a toner, and I'm using the 10% niacinamide toner by One Thing. Niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3. It's really good for anybody who has sensitive skin type and want to start with niacinamide. You can start with this. It's so gentle on the skin. It makes my skin hydrated, soft, dewy. Niacinamide is a superstar all-rounder ingredient. It does it all. And if your skin does not tolerate vitamin C, it would be great if you start with niacinamide. Niacinamide reduces the size of your enlarged pores. It's also prevent acne breakouts because it controls the sebum production. Also provides sun protection, even tones your skin tone. It does it all. And if you want to begin with a niacinamide, I highly recommend One Thing Niacinamide because it has niacinamide. That's it. No other ingredients. So it's very gentle on your skin. Now I'm gonna use the vitamin C serum, and I'm still using the Klairs vitamin C serum. It has 5% L-ascorbic acid, which is the most effective form of vitamin C, and I see instant results from this. I've been using it for years, you guys. Like, I have finished 5-6 bottles of it by this point, and it provides results instantly. One pro tip: keep this vitamin C in your fridge so that it does not photo oxidize. Always use your vitamin C serums in the daytime because it provides photo protection, and it's a powerful antioxidant. It destroys the free radicals, the bad guys. So it's also anti-aging, and it's also good for your dark circles. Now it's very important that you are using a vitamin E moisturizer, a hydrating, nourishing moisturizer after your vitamin C serums, because vitamin C can make your skin a little bit dry. So I have two options. I actually switch between these two. I love the Dr. Sheth Ginseng and vitamin E moisturizer, also the Klairs vitamin E moisturizer. So I'm gonna use the Dr. Sheth vitamin E Ginseng moisturizer. It has 5.5% vitamin E and also very affordable as compared to vitamin E mask by Klairs. I'm gonna use this. You see like how nourishing it looks. It gives a beautiful dewy skin. Also, it enhances the stability of vitamin C serums. Just look at this dewy skin, this dewiness, glowiness. I love using vitamin E moisturizers, and I use tiny bit amount. Vitamin C and vitamin E are like best buddies. Both of these are powerful antioxidant and photoprotectants, so make sure that you use these together. And lastly, I'm gonna use a sunscreen. This is from Earth Rhythm SPF 50. It's a hybrid sunscreen, meaning it has physical and chemical sunscreen filters both, and I love the formula of it. It does not leave any white cast. Always use a sunscreen after your vitamin C serums. Make sure that you're always using a sunscreen because sunscreen protects you from UV damage, sun rays, premature signs of aging, wrinkles. All of that hyperpigmentation and dark spots is because of the sun damage and UV rays. So make sure that you are using a sunscreen, and Earth Rhythm sunscreens are really good, you guys. They are brown skin friendly, and make sure that you're using generous amount of sunscreen everywhere. Do you see this? It just melts into my skin, no white cast whatsoever. And that's it for my day skincare routine. Now I'm just gonna apply the LANEIGE Lip Balm. I love this, and it keeps my lips hydrated for whole day. And this is my all vitamins everyday skincare routine. It's so simple. Also, I feel that this is the most effective day skincare routine I have ever made for my skin. If you want to fade the hyperpigmentation, want the brightening effect, if you have dull or lifeless skin, this is the skincare routine for you. So now let's move on to my night skincare routine. I will see you in the nighttime, kitties. Alright kitties, so let's start the night skincare routine, and first step I do is double cleanse my skin. First I use a oil based cleanser, and for that I will be using the Kama Ayurveda cleanser. I have a dedicated video on double cleansing routine, what is it and how to do it, who can do it, all of that, so you can watch that video. So in short, first we use a oil based cleanser to remove all the oil based impurities. If you're wearing makeup or not wearing makeup, you should double cleanse your skin because you are wearing a sunscreen. Also, like all the oils and sebum sebum produced by your skin during the daytime is removed, cleaned by this cleanser, and then we use a gel-based cleanser to remove the rest of it, and that's how you clean your skin. So now I'm gonna need to add some hydration back to my skin, and for that I'm gonna use the One Thing honey and propolis extract. It makes my skin so soft, so dewy, and so hydrated. I love this extract. Also, honey and propolis is antibacterial, antiviral, so I'm gonna use lots of amount of it because I want to hydrate my skin intensely in the night time. So it does not make my skin sticky, you guys, but it makes my skin so soft. Like, I wish you could touch my skin. So I'm just gonna hydrate my skin, and you can just tap on your skin to increase the circulation. If you want to invest in One Thing extracts, I would recommend two extracts. One is the niacinamide extract and the other one is honey and propolis. I have used others, but these two are my favorite, and these have made to my permanent skincare routine. You guys know I have so much skincare, but the ones that I'm using in my everyday skincare routine are the ones that are really good and show results. So, and now I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I realized that I reach for the serum in the winters more. I've been having some breakouts all of a sudden, and I was trying to use so many things and nothing was working. Then I switched back to ANR and my skin started behaving. So I've been using it consistently in my night skincare routine. And you don't need a lot of amount from this serum, just tiny bit, and massage it into my skin. This serum is an all-rounder serum. It's for every skin type. It has hyaluronic acid, probiotics, ferment filtrates. It has bifida ferment acid, which is really good for your skin barrier. It's also rich in vitamin A, so it's anti-aging. So if you're looking for a serum which does it all, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum is that serum. Now the next step will be moisturizer, but during winters or when my skin feels dry, I like to include one more step, that is facial oil. And I've been really loving the Plum Grapeseed Sea Buckthorn oil. I used it previously and I did not like it. Like, it felt really heavy and sticky on my skin, but now I love it. I think they have changed the formulation of it. It's very lightweight and it makes my skin so soft. So I'm just gonna use 2 drops of it, tiny drops, not too much, right? That's it, and massage it. Now it's time for moisturizer, and for moisturizer I'm using the Snail 92 all-in-one cream. I have finished tubs of it. If you're looking for a cream to gift your mom, this is for you. And if you have fine lines, smile lines, wrinkles, this is amazing for you. I love this cream, you guys. It's so amazing. I have finished tubs of it, did I tell you? Also, it's for every skin type and it gives that fillers, Botox like effect, you know? How do I explain it? Like, it gives that tight and youthful skin every morning when I use it in the nighttime. And your nighttime creams moisturizer are different from your daytime moisturizers, because night creams are supposed to be more nutritious and it just renew and recharge your skin. In the daytime your skin goes through a lot of stress. Night creams reverse all the harmful effects on your skin, so that's why I love to use a separate night cream. And this is my favorite night cream of all time, like mother of night creams, you know. And lastly, to seal all the moisture that I put on my skin, I'm gonna use the ultimate nourishing sleeping mask, rice sleeping mask by COSRX. I like to go as like a glazed donut to my bed, and I'm 31, so I like to go extra step because this is what I'm gonna wear for my whole life. So I like to remain proactive about my skincare, and I love the consistency of the sleeping mask. It's like whipped cream, very creamy, buttery. Also, it prevents the transepidermal water loss from your skin, and that's it. Now I'm using the Klairs Fundamental Awakening Eye Gel for my dark circles. I love this eye cream, you guys. I've been using it for a year almost and it works amazingly on my dark circles, so I'm gonna repurchase it. I'm not switching my eye cream. I'm very satisfied with it. I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. Now if you're having acne breakouts, last step would be a spot treatment. So I'm using the Centella Blemish cream by COSRX as the spot treatment for these tiny breakouts. Here you can see on my cheek and on my lip, above my lip. This is literally how I do my night skincare routine. I'm just gonna put this on these breakouts, and I do have like this acne mark on my nose, fades acne marks as well. And if you have like hyperpigmentation or redness on any area on your skin, you can just apply it as a moisturizer and it will get rid of the inflammation, darkness, everything. I've been using it for a long time and I have almost like finished it. started. So yeah, this is how I go to my bed looking like this. And this is my night skincare routine, you kitties. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some extra points for your day and night skincare routine. I would love to know your night and day skincare routine, what skincare products you are using. You can also share your picks. Last year I got to help literally thousands of you to get you started with your skincare routines, and this is like most fulfilling thing for me. You can share your skincare picks on my Instagram, just DM me, and I will share with the rest of my family, with the rest of the community. And that's it, kitties. I will see you soon. I have lots of content coming up for you for this new year, new vibe, new me. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you. Mwah.